Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up on-page SEO using SurferSEO, full guide step by step clearly. To begin setting up on-page SEO using SurferSEO, first, create an account on the SurferSEO website. Once logged in, click on the new audit button on your dashboard. Enter the URL of the page you wish to optimize. Select the target keywords that align with your content goals. Next, click on the Create Audit button to initiate the analysis. SurferSEO will analyze your page against top-ranking competitors. After the audit is complete, you will see a scorecard displaying various SEO metrics. Focus on the content score, which indicates how well your content is optimized. Scroll down to the Content Editors section for detailed optimization insights. Here, SurferSEO provides keyword suggestions based on your target keywords. Incorporate these keywords into your content naturally. Pay close attention to the recommended word count. Ensure your content meets or slightly exceeds this count for optimal results. Check the headings section to see how your headings stack up against competitors. Use appropriate header tags for your sections, such as H1, H2, and H3. Next, look at the Images section to understand the optimal number of visuals. Use relevant images with proper alt text to enhance your SEO. Move on to the Internal Links section for suggestions on internal linking. Incorporate internal links that direct users to related content on your site. Now, analyze the External Links section to include authoritative sources. Adding external links to high-quality sites boosts your content's credibility. Review the Keywords section for related phrases you should consider including. Add these keywords contextually to improve your content's relevance. After making adjustments, check the final score to see how your page improves. Once you're satisfied with the optimization, click on Publish Changes if you're using SurferSEO's integrated writing tool. If working externally, copy your optimized content and paste it into your website CMS. Finally, rerun the audit after making changes to ensure your score has improved. By following these steps, you will effectively set up on-page SEO using SurferSEO. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.